how to use our products and tools. Now before I proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin! Hi guys! Welcome back sa Tolsen! So today ang introduce ko sa inyo ay ang 5 pieces tools kit ng air. So air tools kit ang tawag dito. So first up is air blow gun. Next is air spray gun. So sa taas to ha, hindi to sa baba kasi kailangan nito ng gravity. So this is a gravity air spray gun. So ayoko nito. So then meron tayong air washer gun. So grenade. Beep, beep. Next, meron tayong air tire inflator gun. So ito yung pang inflator. Paghangin. Then meron tayong spiral air hose. So ito yung 5 pieces na available sa tools kit natin. Then meron tayong free na goggle. So hindi ko na siya tinanggal sa plastic. Ayaw ko siya magasgas. And may kasalanan ako sa inyo. Hindi ko pa pakita sa inyo yung box kasi nasira ko. And ayaw ko naman pakita sa inyo na medyo ganun yung itsura. So, mabilis nyo lang naman makikita. So, ito yung picture niya. And yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next video. So stay tuned guys and don't go away. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe! This is Layatan signing off.